1969 Chevrolet El Camino Custom SS Tribute here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Big block power underneath the hood, 396 cubic inches. Automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact, power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the chrome up front. Headlights, surrounds, grille. Berry candy color on this one. Black interior. I also rolled up the side windows. I wanted to remember to show you. It does have a darker tint on the side glass and the rear window, so know your local and state laws as far as your percentage of window tint that you can have. Take a look at all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the descriptions and take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. American Racing, polished 5-spoke wheels, disc brakes up front, radial tires, Coopers to be exact. Let's take a look down this passenger side. The white stripe front to rear. SS insignias, fender badges. Also noticed it up there in the grille. Again, representing this as a tribute. Interior's black vinyl cloth combination, spray and bed liner. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Here you get a good look at the chrome in the rear bumper. Looks like it's a nice shape, dual exhaust. There's backup lights in the tailgate. There you can see the rear window, also a darker tint. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Should be 100 or so pictures of this car on our website. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Take a look underneath the hood. And also remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Can't make it to look at this one yourself? Not a problem. Try to represent them as fairly as we can with the pictures, all of them that are taken. And of course the walk around video like this one. And stick around to the end. We'll take this car out for a drive, put a camera in it, give you an idea how it goes down the road, kind of take you for a virtual ride in it, if you will. When we look underneath the hood, you'll see it does have headers, 4-barrel on it, Edelbrock Performer 2.0 intake. This is going to make a little noise when I start it up. SS door panels. Here's your bucket seats. Again, vinyl cloth combination. Center console with that horseshoe shifter. Even an SS wheel. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. I have had the wipers working also, just so you know. I'll let this warm up a little bit. I want to show you top of the dash. Yeah, we'll see the passenger seat, the still pictures too, but no rips, tears, or holes in that. I have come across. Tachometer is working. Like I said, this one's going to make a little noise. Pause the video real quick. Let me get the hood open. There's a look at the underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy. There it is. Big block, 396. Headers, power steering, power brakes. Chrome valve covers, as well as air cleaner cover. Battery disconnect over here for when it's in storage in between drives. Turn some heads the way it sounds and the way it looks. And remember, stick around to the very end. We're going to take it down the road for you. 1969 Chevrolet El Camino Custom SS Tribute. UniqueClassicCars.com. 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1969 Chevrolet El Camino. This one is loud. Lovely exhaust note. Our speedometer is erratic. It does not show the correct speed. Fuel gauge is showing completely full. Our oil pressure gauge is looking good, showing almost 55 psi. Water temperature about 170. Our blower motor works. Windshield wipers also work. This car is in quite a brilliant color, maybe rose colored you might call it. Maybe pink. Black interior, cloth center to these bucket seats are very comfortable. We have a Sun Pro Tack on the column. This car idles nice and low. There's a nice rumble to it. Our brakes are working well. Overhead you can see a little tint on the top of the windshield. Headliner looks good. Door panels look good. Easy to steer. It's got corners pretty well. Corners as a 69 Chevelle style car should. This is an automatic horseshoe style shifter right here in the center console. Letting go of the wheel, this car stays right in the middle of the lane, right where you put it. Very fun, very different car, an El Camino in this color, 69. Check out all the pictures and read more about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.